Hey guys, Randall, Diamond C. Let's check out another custom order that came through our portal. This is an LPX 210 30 foot long. And when you do the 210 package, you get our engineered beam, which is taller, lighter, and stronger than milled beam. Instead of a bumper pull, we went with the gooseneck package. And on our gooseneck packages, we get the full width tongue box. Another really cool option is our swing down spare tire mount that offers really easy access to the spare tire. A cool feature he added was a rubber rail and stay pocket, which offers a lot of tie down spots, steps, and he went with steps on both sides for easy access to the deck. He chose our black mod 17.5 wheels, which look really great with this charcoal gray paint. And to finish it off, he chose our max ramps for his loading options, which work super sweet. And they come with the same great technology as the ones on our F-Max. Thanks for hanging out with me, and for more videos like this, make sure that you're subscribed so you can be notified.